Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video I present to you some small laundry room decorating ideas. There are many ways to make your laundry room more functional and stylish. Let's see the video. Here are some laundry room decor ideas that you might find helpful. Incorporate ample storage solutions such as cabinets, shelves, baskets, and hooks to keep your laundry supplies and clothes organized and tidy. Add a non-laundry workstation such as a desk, a bench, or a table, where you can do other tasks while waiting for the laundry to finish. Soften the space with a rug, a curtain, or a plant to add some warmth and coziness to your laundry room. Infuse some whimsy and personality with wallpaper, paint, art, or accessories that reflect your style and taste. Design your laundry washing necessities such as detergent, blends, and fabric softener into clear glass or plastic containers to create a more streamlined and elegant look. Some laundry room storage ideas are: use cabinets make use for wall space. You can store cleaning products, bulk buy items, and other supplies in the cabinets. Add open shelves for easy access. You can display your laundry necessities in clean containers, baskets, or bins on the shelves. Set up a laundry sorting station. You can use hampers, carts, or bins to separate your clothes by color, fabric, or wash cycle. Install a hanging rod. You can hang your clothes to dry or prevent wrinkles on the rod. Use bins and baskets to organize smaller items. You can label the bins and baskets to categorize items such as scores, towels, or accessories. Install a door or wall-mounted drying rack to save space. You can fold the rack when not in use and hang your delicate items on it. Choose durable and easy to clean materials such as tile, laminate, or crockeries for your flooring, countertops, and backsplash to withstand splashes, stains, and wet and dirt. Making your laundry room more eco-friendly is a great way to reduce your environmental impact that saves money on your bills. Here are some tips that you can try. Use cold water and shorter cycles whenever possible. This will save energy and water, as well as prevent damage to your clothes. Choose an eco-friendly detergent that is plant-based, fragrance-free, and concentrated. This will reduce the amount of harmful chemicals that go into the waterways and your skin. Use a wash bag to catch microplastics that escape from synthetic fabrics. This will prevent them from polluting the oceans and harming marine life. Dry your clothes outside or on a drying rack instead of using a dryer. This will save energy and make your clothes last longer. Use stain removers such as vinegar, lemon, or baking soda instead of bleach or other harsh chemicals. This will protect your health and the environment. I hope these tips help you create a more eco-friendly laundry room. Incorporate ample storage solutions such as cabinets, shelves, baskets, and hooks to keep your laundry supplies and clothes organized and tidy. Add a non-laundry workstation such as a desk, a bench, or a table, where you can do other tasks while waiting for the laundry to finish. Soften the space with a rug, a curtain, or a plant to add some warmth and coziness to your laundry room. Infuse some whimsy and personality with wallpaper, paint, art, or accessories that reflect your style and taste. Choose durable and easy to clean materials such as tile, laminate, or crockeries for your flooring, countertops, and backsplash. 2. Withstand splashes, stains, and wear and tear. Listen to your laundry washing necessities such as detergent, blends, and fabric softener into clear glass or plastic containers to create a more streamlined and elegant look. I hope these ideas inspire you to create a laundry room that you enjoy working in. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you everyone.